Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss MPLAB software that is used for programming the PIC18 microcontroller. Okay. So PIC microcontroller. Okay. Microchip Corporation has given its software freely for doing practicals, for writing programs. Okay. Of PIC18 microcontroller. Okay. This particular MPLAB IDE V8.89 software that is used for PIC18 microcontroller or writing programs for PIC microcontroller. Okay. Now this file you can download from the you can download it from the Microchip Corporation website. Okay, there this micro MPLAB ID V8.89 software is available as an open source, and you can freely download this particular software for writing the programs of PIC18 microcontroller. Okay, so what you have to do after downloading it, you have to run this file. Okay, so that this file will get installed on your desktop or laptop. Okay, so after installing it, you will observe this kind of symbol, this kind of icon is available on your desktop. Okay, so you have to open this particular software. Okay, after opening it, you can see one notepad file. Okay, and output file is open in front of you. Okay, so you have to close this one. Okay, now how to write programs for PIC18 microcontroller, that steps we will see. Okay, here, so first you have to go into project option. By clicking on it, okay, you will observe this particular window. Okay, in that you have to click on project wizard. Okay, after opening this project wizard, okay, you will get message on your desktop or in on your screen, that is this wizard helps you to create and configure a new MPLAB IDE project. So here we are going to continue this particular thing. Okay, here you need to select. Okay, this is the first option you will observe on after opening this particular software. You have to select your device. Now here we are going to select this PIC18F4550 IC, which is manufactured by Microchip. Okay, because our practicals are based on this particular IC. That means what, we are having 10 kits of PIC microcontroller, and all 10 kits are having this particular IC. So we will write all the programs for this PIC18F4550. Datasheet of this particular IC PIC18F4550 you can easily download from the Microchip website. Okay, so for in first step you have to select the device. Okay, select the device PIC18F4550. You can see all the series PIC18, PIC16, all PIC microcontrollers are available here. Okay, out of which we have to use our we have to select our IC. Okay, so here we will select PIC18F4550. Okay, we will go for next option. After going for next option, here you will observe that Microchip C18 toolsuit. Okay, selection is available for second step or next step. Okay, here because all the programs of PIC18 we are writing in C language. Okay, so here instead of assembler we will require compiler for compiling our project. Okay, our project or program that is written in C language. So here what we will do, we will select MPLAB C18C compiler MCC18.x v3.45. This is the compiler that we will select for compiling our C program, which is written for PIC18F4550. So after selecting it, okay, go for next option. Here again you have to create your own folder. Okay, and in that folder only you will store you will store this particular project file. Okay, so here what I will do, I will open my desktop. Okay, now you have to open this folder, or you have to create this folder other than C drive. Okay, because number of times PCs are getting format. Okay, so formatting is happening on regular basis. So instead of creating this folder on C drive, you will open you will create this folder in C drive. Okay, so here I will open this G drive. There I have created my folder, and here I will create my folder, okay, of PIC18. So here I will give name PIC18 programs. Okay. So open this folder. Okay, now give the file name for your first project. So here I will give LED interfacing interfacing. Okay, uh, after writing this, after giving name to this, click on save option. So here we have selected first, in first step PIC18F4550. In second step we have selected compiler mcc18.x. Okay, compiler C18. And in third step we are creating folder, okay, in which all the files related to our project will be saved. Okay, so here there is, you can add your project files here, but there is no need to go to do this operation here. Okay, you can skip this step and click on next. So this is what our selection of PIC18F for my microcontroller, PIC18F4550, microchip compiler, C18 toolsuite, and my folder is in G drive other than C drive, VPM PIC18 programs. Okay, so click on finish option. After this, you will observe that there are two files which are created. One is workshop file, that is MPLAB MCP workshop file, and output file. Okay, in which, okay, you can see here .mcw workshop file is open. They are having two files. Okay, in which, in this file you have to add all the related files which are required for running your program, which is written in C language. Okay, and after running this, okay, result of operation will be observed in the output file, or will be saved in the output file. Here you will observe if there are any mistakes you have done in the program. If your program is correct, all the details are listed here, will be available in this particular output file. Okay, so here first you have to add several files, such as header file, library file, linker file. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to select this header files, click on, right click on it, go for add files. Okay, here this folder you will observe in MPLAB 18 folder, okay, which is available in this microchip folder, and this microchip folder is available in program files. Okay, so if you don't get it, search for program files of your processor or computer or laptop, in which this microchip folder is stored after installing MPLAB IDE v8.89. Open this folder. Okay, go for MPLAB C18. Okay, here v3.45. Okay, here h file. For header file you have to go for header folder. Here you will type p18f4550.h. So this particular file you need to add for running the program of PIC18F4550 header file. Okay, after that you need to add library file is available in lib folder of the same v3.45. So I can show you this lib file, library folder. Okay, again you have to type p18f4550.lib. So add this file, and last is the linker script. Here bin folder is available inside this v3.45. In that LKR folder is there, and here you need to type 18F4550 dot gklkr. Okay, so these files are there, these files you have to add. Now at last you need to add source file. For that source file you need to create your source file in which all the programs are written in C language. Okay, so in this folder you have to write your program. Okay, and after writing it you have to save this file in your folder only, where you are going to create your folder. In that folder you will create this particular file. Okay, I have created p18 programs folder, so here I will save it with led.mcp. Okay, this is the extension of your file, or you can also write .c. .c, mostly .c save it as. Okay, because we are writing program in C language, so led.c. Okay, so this file is saved. Now from this you can, now here you can add this file. Okay, in source file. So this is the source file that you will, that this compiler will consider for running the program. Okay, so all this have added. Okay, now we have to write program for it. So I will take one example of it, program. So let's see, this program is forward. I will go to my folder, getting programs. Okay, this folder I will open, this file I will open. Here I have created folder, so I will again go for PK18. I will search for it. So that folder is not available. Let's see where it is available. PK18. Okay, this is available in this. So let's see. Again, it is not available. MP lab folder. Oh, 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 oh. So here I will search for. So here program is available with us. I will copy it here. I will paste it here in my file. Okay, so after this writing program, after writing this program for PKT microcontroller, you will need to save this file. After saving it, you will go for this particular option. Okay, build all. This will compile your C language code. Okay, that will be converted into machine language, that is compiling. So you can see, after clicking on build all, after selecting build all option, you can see program is compiled. Okay, it is executed, and this option, this message you will get. Okay, if your program is correct. If errors are there, then you will get all the errors line by line in this particular file. Okay, so if your program is correct, build succeed option will be there. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to burn this program on kit. Okay, so after making connection, okay, after making connection of this PIC18 universal board with the required modules, okay, for running your program. Okay, you have to go for this option, pick make option, or here options are open. Okay, so that we will study later, but up till now, okay, you have studied this particular software, how to use, how to create this Now the last part is remain that after compiling this software particular C language code, okay, hex file will be created and that will be saved in your folder. Okay, now how it will be saved? You have to go for project option again and you have to go for build option. Here you will find your file. Now go for project. Here you have to give your destination. Okay, destination of your program where all the files related to this particular program will get saved. That means what? Hex file, header file, linker file, library file, all the files, object file, all the files will be saved in this particular program. So for that purpose, you have to click on new. Here browse the option, browse your folder which is saved in your drive. Okay, if it is in D drive, if it is in C drive, other than C drive, you have to search for that your folder. Okay, select your folder and click on OK. Okay, apply. After that, selecting this folder, okay, apply. Okay, so this particular folder will act as a destination for all the files. Okay, after compiling. So here click on OK. So this will be the selection for you. Additional part you can do in the for this particular program, instead of output directory you can add this include search path again. So here you have to go for this include search path. Okay, click on this file. Okay, here you have to select this particular program files that we have done once. So again do it for this output directory. So here this folder select already selection will be there. You just need to make sure that this folder is selected. H folder, header folder is selected. After that, library search file, directly this file will get selected. And after for last is linker script. Okay, here you need to go for lkr folder, that is in bin folder. Okay, this is the folder that you will select in v3.45, that is the compiler toolsuit of PIC18 microcontroller. Okay, so after selection of all these files, after adding to destination all these files, you will need to click on apply. So this will apply and this will be the selection of your order. So you can see after running this program, okay, this message will come in front of you. Okay, you just go to that folder where you have created your programs. Okay, program files, you will get here all the files are there. Okay, hexadecimal file, mapping file. Okay, this is the memory mapping file. How memory wise or uh, how your program is stored in the memory, that will be described by this map file. Okay, it is internally available for microcontroller, we cannot see. Okay, if you click on it, you have to open this particular, there is no file, source file for opening this file. So here hex file, this is the hex file. Okay, so I cannot see any file that will open. You can see these hexadecimal values are written. Okay, likewise. Okay, at the time of exam you will be asked what is the size of your program. So you need to tell from this particular file, your program file is of 2 kilobytes. Your C language program is compiled, that is converted into machine language, and it is available with this hexadecimal file. This file will be used for burning your program into IC. Okay, downloading your program into the IC. So after after compiling it, after selecting build all option, this option you will observe. Okay, and this is, you can see C language program is converted into hex file. Okay, so these are the internal errors are zero. Okay, so this is the way of doing program, writing program for PIC18F 4550 or any PIC microcontroller series IC, okay, by using MPLAB IDE v8.89 software. Okay, so you must practice this particular software for running your programs. Okay, you can test your projects also which are based on PIC microcontroller by using this particular software. Okay, okay, so you can test, you can debug, you can troubleshoot all the files, all the programs that you are writing for PIC18 microcontroller or related series microcontroller ICs. Okay, so we have PIC18 F4550 in our lab, so we will select PIC18 F4550 and we will write all the programs. Now the process of downloading your program into IC, that will be shared later. Okay, another video will be there for downloading your program into your IC PIC18F4550. Thank you very much.